I love it that there's so many different kinds of car events on Earth, like drifting, rally, Formula One, and there's some events who doesn't really make sense. So, and the British people, they have an event like a car jumping event. That's totally crazy. I just heard about that years ago and I found a video about that. We should take a look on this. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, he's warming up the tires. Yeah, these are obviously cars from the junkyard, and they're just, yeah, I don't know, they're just sending it. Yo, what is this, man? Oh, he's ready. He's so ready. Like, holy smokes. There's not even a roll cage inside of it. I don't know, man. To be honest, these cars not even really look like they prepared for something like this before. Like, they're just looking like regular street cars. What in the world? British people are so crazy. Jeez! Oh my god, oh my god. That is fucking dangerous. What's that? Is that glass from the window? Oh yeah. I thought it's gas, I know there's this event in the US, I don't know exactly where they're just sending cars over the hill, but there's nothing inside, no one is inside of it. They're just, I don't know if they're sending it over a ramp or something, and they're just, going down so deep. And down there in front of the hill, there are the audience or people are watching it and they're celebrating it like, that the cars are crashing and stuff like that. I mean, this is absolutely crazy and absolutely entertaining. A small 4K. That was pretty far. Shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nah. This is too dangerous. I would be so scared. An old Subaru station wagon. Ooh. It's still driving. Oh my god. I hope they minimally wear a special harness like racing bells or something. He's sending it again. Okay. Okay, I think... Oh, he's stuck. Jesus. That is... Look at that angle there. I was sitting here. There. Oh, that's in Toyota Celica. Ooh, he survived too. I've never seen something like this before. Yo, Sonic Doom Boy. Or Boom Boy. Well, it looks like they're fine. Holy smokes. Looks like he wants to send it again. Incredible. It's so funny. What? Titanius? Is that the name for it there in the UK? For me, it looks like a Ford Focus. Oh, there's also a trophy.
The highest jump goes 484. 484 I've got a problem with most spectacular. Most spectacular has to be Blake McDowell.
Hey man, stay there.
Harry as well. Harry was also very spectacular.
He was the driver of this Subaru. That is so crazy, really. It's still driving. What? Wow. I mean, you know, as I said, I never seen something like this before, like that crazy, like destruction on the highest level. You know, these people don't give a... But even if I like really motorsport, I also enjoyed to see events like this. I mean, I've never been on an event like this before, but I should go on one of these. There's also an ice race here in Germany because it's winter season and it's a like ice hill climb thing. And I will show you this in the next video. That was crazy, really, that was crazy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more of these, just let me know. comment, like it, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.